guys, welcome to Cookingmojo. Today I am going to make Vada Pav. This is a Maharashtrian dish and is one of the famous street food in Mumbai. So let's quickly start the recipe. Ingredients required to prepare batter: 3/4 cup gram flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder and turmeric powder, a pinch of Asafoetida, 1 tablespoon rice flour, half cup water and salt for taste. In a bowl, add gram flour, rice flour, red chilli powder, turmeric powder and asafoetida, baking soda. Now mix all these ingredients. Add water and start making lump-free batter. Batter should be of this consistency. Season this with salt and mix well. Our batter for Batata Vada is ready. Next, let's prepare the mixture for Batata Vada. Ingredients required for Batata Vada: 2 boiled potatoes, 3 to 4 curry leaves, crushed ginger, garlic and green chillies 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon mustard seed, 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, cooking oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and salt for taste. Heat a pan on low-medium flame and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. This has popped up. Next, I am going to add curry leaves, some ginger, garlic and green chilli crushed. Saute this for few seconds. Add turmeric powder. Both ginger, garlic and turmeric has cooked well. Now I am going to add boiled potatoes into this. Mash potatoes while adding into this. Next goes some salt into this. Now mix this well and cook for about 5 minutes. Add coriander leaves. Turn off the gas flame and add lemon juice into this. Combine lemon juice well with this mixture. Let's wait for this mixture to cool down completely so that we can make small balls of it. Our mixture has cooled down completely. Now let's start making small balls for Batata Vada. Take small quantity of this mixture and make a ball like this. Heat oil on medium flame to deep fry this Batata Vadas. Take this mixture ball, dip in the batter and coat it well. Now this goes directly to the hot oil. Fry till it turns golden brown in color. Let's make chura from the remaining batter. Oil is already hot. So take little bit of batter in your hands and start pouring it in the oil. Stir and fry this till it turns crispy. Our chura is ready. Take few green chillies and cut it like this from the middle. Now deep fry this. Season this with salt and keep it aside. Let's quickly start making some dry garlic chutney for Vada Pav. Ingredients required for garlic chutney: 1/4 cup peanuts, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon coriander seeds, 5 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, oil and salt for taste. Heat a pan on medium flame and add 1 teaspoon oil into it. Now add garlic and roast it till it gets light brown in color. Take it out of the pan and in the same pan add raw peanuts. Roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add dry coconut, coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Roast this till that coconut turns light brown in color. Everything is roasted well. Now turn off the flame and add Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix this well. Now let's transfer this to a bowl. Add some salt into it. This has cooled down completely. Now let's grind it into a powder. Our dry garlic chutney is ready. Now let's make green chutney for Vada Pav. Ingredients required to make green chutney: few coriander leaves, 1 green chilli, 1 garlic clove, 2 curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of grated coconut, 1/4 cup of water and salt for taste. In a mixer jar, add coriander leaves, 1 green chilli, 1 garlic clove, 2 curry leaves, coconut, 1/4 cup of water and salt for taste. Grind all these ingredients very well. Our green chutney is ready. We need paos to assemble this. These are homemade paos. You can find the recipe link for pav in our channel, that is Cookingmojo. Now everything is ready. So let's start assembling vada pav to serve. Cut pav in the middle. Don't cut it all the way through. Cut it like this. Spread green chutney on both the sides. Sprinkle little bit of dry chutney. Place chura in the side. Now place in vada. Place green chilli on top of the vada. Press this once and our vada pav is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know your views in the comment section below.